worry, I have the IG right ready for everybody.
And if you still want come back, will I see your life unstable? Me no take chat from no boy. And me no take chat from no girl neither. Me never get a box from no boy. Me bad for real, so what you need ya. Me no hype and bossy. For them broke like that, and I move like dry land tourists. Show me no hype and bossy. Me a feel my God, kind for them fake, I'm notice. For them fake, I'm notice. Yeah, long time in the like so and discuss the way with a like class.
Mr. Big Zone.
Yeah, people, so we see Top Girl have some fun on the piano. I have a video with Shenseea have some fun on the piano as well. But the long-awaited single, Hype and Bossy, look like it perfect drop. And not only the single I drop with a music video. Because we see Shaneil Muir post these clips.
I think you should be getting out.
Even the chicken is good. It's giving.
Make me one. Mama.
You stupid.
Yeah, people, so just looking at the equipment, we know that it's going to be a high-quality music video. We see a Steadicam operator with a red camera, you know what I mean, matte box, the whole 9 yards. So what I say, a lot of people might not know what that means, but most of your favorite music video we love, you just shoot pan what them call a mirrorless camera with a simple Anel gimbal, right? So it's like apples and oranges. This is like pro equipment. You see what I say? And the reason why this song is such a big deal is because our fans them always ask her like, when you gonna drop Hype and Bossy? You see me, when she dip on live, when I type me she said, if you never ask me one more time, you see what I say? When I talk to the producer, so the song would been a wait pan it. Me hear she sing it pan her live before, so people are wait for hear it, but not only hear them, I go hear them, I go see a music video, and we see her pan the ear strip, so we know say, you know what I mean, an exclusive thing. We don't know the Top Girl do her thing, right? But people I love to see the artist them I try to play the piano. You see where I say we know that Papi can play piano already. He actually can play. We hear Top Girl play something, you know, she have a couple of cards down like that. And I have a video with Shenseea. I love the piano, people, and you know, lately me learn a few things. I'm not like a player, but I understand music theory a little bit. You know what I mean? We still have a long way to go, but we are listening and we are learn and we understand like why Adele music sound like how it sound. You see me then use like the fifths, and that's a whole little thing for getting it. But let's hear what Shenseea play. Take a listen to this. Here goes.
Sounds like
Them are gonna learn, man. Both of them are gonna learn. So a little bit from this, we see them play it well, right? But what I want to do now, I want if anybody in the comment section, you know what I mean, can actually play an instrument, know about the piano, know music theory like that. When you comment and make we know. I mean, I look out especially for the female them, because I love when women play an instrument, you know what I mean? Especially the guitar, because that is like, and anybody can master that. So people, when you know anything, go thank you for watching this channel. If it's your first time you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. You know what I mean? Big up everybody and stay safe out there.
We got Diamond in my AP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know, Tanto Blacks. Yeah, they.